How's it? Sean from Mel's YouTube book site, YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the soul urge number 3, inner expression, the deeper meaning. Alright, so before we get started, please subscribe to our channel, it's free. And also make sure you hit the notification button so you can get all our future video updates. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Pythagoras taught that everything in nature consists of 3 parts. Man himself has 3 planes of life, each governed by its own principles. Soul is found in vowels, body is found in consonants, and the spirit in vowels and consonants combined. All 3 planes must be in harmony if man is to achieve success, happiness, and good health. Man is a threefold creature, having spirit, mind, and body. Likewise, every system has a first, middle, and last part. So, number 3 was considered the first perfect number. Pythagoras called number 3 the one and the many, meaning a limited expression of 1 and 2, and a number of talents, because number 3 is the creative principle in the Godhead, the number of self-expression, the artist and the entertainer. Number 3 is an 8 with the left side open. So 8 makes its own boundaries by organizing its affairs. The 3 is open to scatter its energies. Both are money makers, but number 8 strives to keep money growing, while number 3 likes to have fun. We are here to learn certain lessons, and those lessons are found in our personal names. Every letter and number contains divine attributes of our Creator, talents and qualities that have been given to us at birth. Chuck's birth name number. By adding together both the total number of values of the vowels and consonants, you'll find the total expression of the name. This indicates the direction that one should find their success and happiness. It combines their innermost desires with the outward projection of their total personality and talents, and therefore paints a true picture of their personality. Ascribe to each letter the number value in the alphabet in the reference chart below, which we're going to show you now. The value of a birth name expression. For example, Chuck uses his name when he comes into contact with others. His name is said when he speaks on the phone, when he speaks to his family and friends, when he opens an account in a bank or a shop. He not only says his name Chuck, he writes it down. Everybody he knows calls him by his name. Numerology. Numerical and alphabet reference chart. So it's from 1 to 9. So 1 stands for A, J, and S, and right up to 9, I, and R. Okay, name expressions. Chuck's birth name expression number. C equals 3, H equals 8, U equals 3, C equals 3, K equals 2. You add all this up, it comes to the grand total of 19. 19 equals 1 plus 9 equals 10, which equals 1 plus 0, which equals 1. Therefore, Chuck's birth name, outer expression number, is equal to the number 1. Vowels are the soul of the word. Its life, so to speak. Vowels of a person's name bear a close relationship to a person's inner feelings, which is the total number of the vowel numbers known as the soul urge number. From the soul urge number, we can learn more subtle aspects of the individual's sensitivity, fortitude, and drive. This is expressed in a number of ways: feelings, emotions, desires, fancies, and so on. Vowels in Chuck's name, U equals 3. Therefore, Chuck's soul urge inner expression number is equal to the number 3. Number 3, soul urge, empathy and expression. Let's spread the joy. Number 3s are the gateway to the mind plane and the most essential of the mind plane, for it governs memory. As the anchor of memory, it will provide a natural quality and will capably support them throughout their lives. This makes it easy for them to maintain alert mental activity into their vintage years. As these people emphasize the thinking aspects of their life, it is clear that their primary purpose relates to their mental capabilities. For them, the understanding of life and the development of their personality are significantly related to their thought processes, in preference to their intuitiveness or practical involvement. Their service to the community and favorite mode of their inner expression is primarily expressed through thinking, analyzing, planning, and memorizing, and so on. They have a keen sense of humor and natural wit, often the life of the party, and make bright and intelligent company and excellent hosts. They express themselves more fluently through the thinking channels than either emotionally or physically. Chuck's ruling birth outer expression number is number 1. In the 6th century, Pythagoras recognized 1 as the number symbolizing unity in the world and ego in humans. Together with Chuck's number 1 outer expression, and soul's urge in expression number 3 both expands this person to meet the needs and empathy of modern society, but often tends to make him overthink things. Number 1, birth name, and soul urge number 3, they complement each other mentally and demonstrate creative abilities, originality, a self-reliant individual, a doer, a thinker, a planner, and the symbol of leadership. Number ones together with a soul urge, number 3, blaze the trail and help others define it. But when not living constructively, they often assume an unpleasant air or superiority that shows a lack of patience and intolerance for others less blessed, and quite critical, which can become a burden on spouses involving broken marriages. Advice for 3 soul urge numbers. Seek understanding. In meditation, your higher self connects you to insight with any problem. Leave behind any preconceived opinions and be open to truth and true purpose. The right answer comes clothed in a feeling of peace, a sense of knowing. Understanding makes the way clear for you. Alright, so that's it for number 3 soul urge number. That's it for the video. Alright, so please like this video, please share it, and subscribe to our channel. It's free. And also make sure you hit that notification button so you can get updated with all our future videos. Alright, until our next video on numerology, this is Sean from Mal's YouTube book site YouTube channel. Good day on you.